Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. Today I'll be doing a singles read. This is for all you Pisces who are totally single, not looking out for your old ex to come back, just wanting somebody fresh, new, and yes, the singles. And these are general collective readings, Pisces, will not resonate with all of you, right? So take what works for you, leave the rest. Let's begin our reading. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their upcoming new love. Thank you. So, Pisces, let's begin your reading. Let's see who's coming in for you. All right. Pisces, 7 of Wands, 4 of Swords, oh my God, 2 of Cups, and the wish fulfillment. Oh my God. All right, things are still in the dark. You don't know what's coming up, right? You feel nothing is coming up. Maybe you're trying to, I don't even know what to say to this reading. My God. What's this 7 of Wands, Spirit? What's the 7 of Wands for Pisces? Pisces, you have a lot of movement coming towards you. I think you're glowing right now. You're looking so fabulous. Maybe you're absolutely single right now. Absolutely single, abundant, doing well. But do you even realize how many people have their eye on you? My God, this is like everybody wants a piece of you right now because you are prime property, I would say. Look at the kind of movement coming towards you. It's going to come to a time, Pisces, very, very soon, that you will have to sneak away from all the attention you're getting and ward off all these suitors which are coming towards you. I think you're absolutely shining at the moment. I mean, look at this. 9 of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands. This is how people are seeing you. Single, abundant, beautiful, looking good, smelling good. You walk into a room and people turn around to find out who's that person. Okay, so that's the Pisces, right? And everybody wants to talk to you, everybody wants to interact with you, or they're going to very soon. And yes, you'll be warding off all these suitors, like, get away from me, I can't handle so much. And you may just go into, a little bit of private time of your own once again to figure out which one out of these options is going to be good for you. So 4 of Swords, Spirit. 4 of Swords. Yes, see, I wasn't wrong. Yeah, you'll be juggling. You'll be going back and forth in your mind to say, okay, universe, which one? I'm going to take some time out to myself and figure out, should I go with this one or should I go with that one? But eventually, I think you'll be making the correct decision, Pisces, because I see the 2 of Cups. Now, this is a very, very good connection. This is equal, powerful with the Lovers. Oh my God, Pisces. This is like Lovers. The 2 of Cups is clarified by the Lovers. This is destiny. This is a destined relationship. Whatever's coming towards you, you won't have to be in this mode for too long. You're going to figure it out really quickly. Who's the one who pulls at your heartstrings? There's going to be instant chemistry. There's going to be excitement, and you'll know. The feeling you're going to get, Pisces, is this is the person I think I'm meant to be with. I feel at home with this person. I've probably known this person for many lifetimes. That kind of feeling. And yes, your wishes are going to come true. Whatever you're wishing for is coming true. Let's take a few for here. What's the Star card, Spirit? What's the Star card? One more. Pisces, as much as you're going to be nervous about starting a new journey here, before long, I think there is a bit of fear. There is a bit of fear in starting this. You've been wishing and praying for this for so long that finally when you get it, it's going to seem a little scary to you. Should I not? Should I not? But eventually, this is what's going to happen. You are going to take a leap off that cliff and say, hey, it feels too good to be true. I'm going to try this out and it's going to work. Okay, because this is not just any ordinary connection, Pisces. This is the Two of Cups and the Lovers. This is a match made in heaven. So yes, it's going to stress you out a little bit, but I don't see you holding back. Let's see if this person could say something to you, Pisces, or you to them in the 5D world. What would you say to each other? Or when you meet, how would you feel? Okay. There's more to this than I'm able to share with you right now. I think both of you are going to feel that instant pull towards each other and not understand what this is and not be able to explain it. That the feeling you'll get, will be like, this is my person. I haven't been happy for a long time. But the minute you meet them, it's going to change, and that's when you'll realize what true happiness means, when your wishes start coming true with this new soulmate. And yes, you haven't been happy for a long time because they were not there in your life till now. Let's talk and clear the air. Yes, all these doubts, worries, or whatever you'll have, because you probably initially you'll be a little surprised that, it's like wishing for that perfect thing and it's in front of you, not able to believe that. Yes, you'll probably be able to talk and clear the air to figure out if the other person is on the same page or not, which I think they will be. Initially, you may also kind of step back from this person because the chemistry is going to be so intense that you may just want to keep it platonic for a while and say, hey, let's just be friends first. This intensity is too much for me to take. Okay, so just be a little mindful of that. But otherwise, I don't see anything wrong, anything going wrong here. Yes, right now you're single, looking good. A lot of people will give you attention. You will get choices. That much I'm sure. And when the correct person comes, Pisces, you're just going to scare the hell out of you. Okay, but you're going to take it sooner than later. This person is going to match you. Okay. All right. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.